I'm Scott Anthony, the Business Unit Manager for Tsugami REM Sales based here in Connecticut. I am responsible for sales and engineering activities for all of North America. Tsugami is a world leader in producing small parts manufacturing solutions, and REM Sales is a division of the Morris Group. Now, we're very pleased that Mastercam has stepped into the Swiss realm. Before, there wasn't only a couple choices for programming these type parts. And now Mastercam, with the biggest market share, I believe, in all these machine shops, it's been our challenge getting people doing it the more traditional ways in multi-op processes, getting them into Swiss, doing it complete. And the transition, it really requires a combination of work with Mastercam and with Tsugami products. With Tsugami Swiss, it's all about seconds. We're trying to get seconds off. So optimal programming, optical tool selection, feeds and speeds are all very important when you're looking at time cycles this low. The technology has been advancing over the years. We've had better solutions thanks to Tsugami meeting the needs of our customers. And the latest and greatest is this 5-axis activity we have now, and we're thankful for our partnership with Mastercam to create some solutions to help our end users design these complex parts and output them to our machines. Things have been manually designed and programmed, and that's just not capable now when you're doing multiple angled, drilled, complex sculpting. So Mastercam Swiss Expert's been a great help in taking that transition from the old way to the new way, and creating the tool paths and posting out to our latest technology, Tsugamis. The fin part is fantastically for a demonstration component. They see all the axes working together. There's a lot going on, and the overlap is really where you make your money, where the sub-spindle's doing half the work and the main spindle's doing the primary work typically. So it's been flawless in its output. With these 5-axis machines, we're really addressing the needs of the more complex parts, especially medical, aerospace, and automotive. We're seeing a lot of applications that have been done on different machines in multi-step processes being done complete on Tsugami Swiss. This is an exciting time and advancement of the industry for us. This is only the beginning, I believe, of a very strong partnership for Mastercam and Tsugami.